Join us today as we make a quick batch of Grandma Punky's refrigerator pickles. My grandma, or Grandma Punky, Farmer Jerry's mom, used to make these pickles for us as we were kids, actually my entire childhood. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to make these. They're a quick and easy way to enjoy either chub cucumbers or regular slicing cucumbers all summer long. You can either use chub cucumbers like I have here today. These are great because you don't need to peel these. You just slice off the ends and chop them up. I have a food processor here today to slice them, makes it fast and easy. Or you can use regular slicing cucumbers, but I do recommend peeling the cucumbers if you're gonna go that route. First things first, you're gonna take 1 2/3 cup sugar and throw it into your bowl that you have a lid for. You wanna make sure that you have a lid because these are gonna need to sit for a while in your fridge. Then you're gonna wanna take 1 cup of tarragon vinegar. Make sure it's tarragon vinegar. You don't wanna substitute any other type of vinegar for these pickles. And 1 tablespoon of celery seed. You mix that together and that's gonna be your base, or basically like your pickle brine per se for this recipe here. From there, you're gonna chop 1 onion. You want thin sliced rings of onions here, so you're gonna just chop away. Then you're gonna put these in a bowl. I like to make sure you break them apart. All right, if you're gonna use your food processor to do this, make sure you have the slicing blade side up, not the shredding blade, and make sure you take the blade that's inside your food processor out so it's not chopping up your cucumber as you slide it in there. So turn it on. There we go, my cucumbers are all chopped. Take this off. This is approximately 7 or 8 cups or a few more. Like I said, I'm pretty lenient with the number of cups of cucumbers I put in. This recipe is pretty flexible. Now we have everything here in this bowl. I just take a big spoon and try to mix it up as best you can. Trying to get some of that onion mixed in, try to get some of that juice spread around. Now the best thing you can do with this is let it sit. So I recommend letting it sit about 24 hours before you enjoy your cucumbers. I like to stir it probably once or twice in between that 24 hours, but it's totally up to you. Sometimes if you have a great lid on it, just give it a good shake to mix it up. But otherwise, stick it in your fridge. These can last up to 2 weeks in your fridge. You can even add cucumbers along the way to get more life out of the juice mixture in here. So I hope you enjoy Grandma Punky's refrigerator pickles, and make